How to reset Microsoft Word to default settings. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Registry Editor. Simply search in search bar Registry Editor and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here you'll find HKey current user, which is the second option. Expand HKey current user. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Then expand software. After you have expanded software, in here, expand Microsoft. After that, you'll find Office in here. Search for Office and expand Office. After that, expand the version you downloaded. I have downloaded 16.0, so I will expand 16.0. And you'll find Word. Right click on it and click on Delete. After clicking on Delete, then click on OK. After you have done that, simply refresh your device and start Microsoft Word with default settings. That's how to reset Microsoft Word to default settings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.